This homeowner was tired of their beautiful pool becoming a furnace every afternoon. The solution? A PowerScreen with 95% solar fabric in Espresso Texture. Look at this transformation. Same gorgeous pool view, but now with serious sun protection. That 97% solar blockage means you can actually use your poolside patio during peak sun hours, not just after sunset. The Espresso Texture fabric was specifically chosen to complement their existing design while maintaining that clean sightline to the water. Notice how the zipper retention system creates a perfect seal. No gaps for bugs or UV rays to sneak through. This isn't just shade, it's reclaiming your outdoor space. Your pool area can finally live up to its potential as the family gathering spot it was meant to be. The difference between a patio you avoid and one you actually use, about 97%. Visit apolloscreen.com to see how PowerScreen can transform your outdoor space. Don't forget to subscribe.